What's up, guys? This is Bill. I was out here on my first appointment. It's at 8:55. I've already cut the lawn, but I'm gonna take you guys along as I edge and I trim and maybe do some cleanup. I have a couple other appointments today, but I'll take you along on our journey today and see how we're going. Today's supposed to have a heat advisory. Let me see if I can make this a little brighter for you guys so you can see. A heat advisory of 112 today. So we're just trying to get everything done before it gets too hot, and we don't want to suffer from no heat exhaustion today. So I'm solo today, so we'll be doing our thing. Stay tuned.